Welcome to Drive-Thru Kitchen. I'm doing something really fun today. I'm doing a mashup of Taco Bell's two all-time favorite things. The 7-layer burrito and the Mexican pizza. Not quite. We are doing the Crunchwrap and the Enchirito. Oh yeah. I have it right here. I have it and I haven't even tasted it yet. So we're gonna have to find out together at the end of this video how this thing turns out. But right now I'm gonna show you what it took to make it, and we'll find out together if you even should make this. But it smells really good. So let's get making this thing and stop the talking, because it's not gonna be a short video. Probably not. I don't know. You already know. But I don't. I haven't edited this yet, and I'm still talking. So food time. Let's go. So to make this Enchirito Crunchwrap mashup, we're gonna need the seasoned taco meat. The ground beef that goes in this. I have done videos on this for both Taco Bell and Del Taco. Del Taco's better. But we won't go into that too much because we're doing a Taco Bell mashup. I'll let you guess which recipe I'm using. Del Taco. It's better, but we're not using the TVP because... but what do we need for this? We need a pound of meat right here. Lean beef is good. The 90-10 stuff, 80-20s, it'll work. Now with beef prices as high as they are, good luck to all of us. I actually scored on this one. It was $11.99 a pound for ground beef for a little while there. Wow. Now it's down to just $7. Oh, what a deal. Oh my God. Anywho, we have our seasoning right here. There is a list of stuff up here. There it was. You did catch that, right? You can just go back and pause. I'm kidding. Here, this is all the seasoning that goes into this. This is the Taco Bell recipe right here. If you want the good one, the Del Taco, then you should use this recipe. It's very similar, but slightly different. It's better. I think it's the coriander, maybe. A few other things. Anyways, to that, we have, this has the cornstarch already in here for thickening. I'm using cornstarch instead of flour or anything else. This is gluten-free. Yes, I don't believe cornstarch has gluten in it. I don't believe in Bigfoot, so take that for what you want. Anyways, I do believe in Bigfoot. Oh, please let there be a Bigfoot. Half a tablespoon of oat flour. You grind that up yourself. If you can't get oat flour, just take regular oatmeal. The instant oats or quick oats, something like that. The steel cut oats work too, but they're a little more work. Put it in a spice grinder or a coffee grinder if you have cleaned it thoroughly. Otherwise it's going to taste like coffee. It'll probably still taste like coffee, but coffee's delicious, so who cares? And we have our liquid right here, which is half a teaspoon each of apple cider vinegar and lime juice. That is going in here, and we have 3/4 cup of water. And a tablespoon of tomato paste, but all that's going in the pan over there. This is way too much. But now I don't have to do the voiceover thing. Maybe a little bit. Smidge, sorry. I know people don't like it. Smidge. Okay, cook. Okay, so the ground beef is browned up. Basically, we got the all the pink gone. That's all you're looking for. You don't have to worry about breaking it up too much. You want to break it up a little bit, but this isn't one of those meat masher moments. And we're going to do this in the food processor to really get this nicely, nicely. You need texture. This helps not only the texture but also the flavor, because it opens the meat up like crazy and it soaks up all of the flavors from the flavorings, the seasonings, the spices. It is a critical step. I know I always get comments, somebody says, oh, you should cook the meat in water and then it will work. And no, you can make chili that way. You can't make taco meat that way. And if you think you can, you can't. Sorry to break it to you. Do not get the grease in here. So I'm letting the pan drain down so the grease is going to the backside. Don't get rid of the grease. You need the grease. We're not draining grease. They don't waste anything. I don't waste anything. All right, we're just going to pulse this a few times to get the texture just right. See, it's quick. I'm going to stir this real fast. There's a little bit of stuff around the edges that wants a little more work. Obviously the stuff on the bottom is going to grind up first. A couple more pulses, maybe 3 more. What's that look? Oh yeah, there it is. Is the consistency of this. What are you looking for? I don't know, something like that. Does that help? Does that help? I guess I've never really shown that up close before, but there you go. So this goes back in the pan in a minute, but first we're gonna do the oat flour trick. All the spices and everything else, make basically the spice gravy, and then this goes back in, and then we're done with the taco meat. Moving on to the rest. Meet you back over there. We've got everything we need to make our Enchirito Crunchwrap mashup, and I got refried beans. I've got our meat right here. I've got sauce, and I totally didn't just open up a can of enchilada sauce like the Las Palmas medium or anything. No, I did not do that. You cannot prove that. Didn't do that. There is a recipe on Guillermo's Cocina. Can't link it there because YouTube doesn't like me. I will put it in the description, the channel there. Look up the tomato-based enchilada sauce. That is as close as you're going to get to the Taco Bell red sauce. That is fantastic. It works great. All right, we got some diced onions right here because the enchilada needs the onions. We have cheese right here. I grated this up myself. This isn't a bag of cheese. You can tell because it's on wax paper. That's my secret for cheese. But yeah, this is just cheddar cheese. That's all they use. We have a fancy plate because it's a Crunchwrap, and we have a tortilla here that is warmed up. Here's a quick thing. There you go. That's just warm that up real fast. We are going to also toast this. So, whoa, it's going to be yummy. Now, I'm going to do this backwards because we're doing it upside down. So, I'm putting the meat down first. Actually, if I'm doing that, I better do this. Oh, a little bit of that. Okay. Now a little bit of this. By a little, I mean a lot. Come on. It's Crunchwrap. It needs a good amount. You better know you're eating something, right? Okay, I'm going to overstuff it because that's what I do. Look at me. I buy small t-shirts and overstuff them. Not small. Okay. Beans? Not yet. Onions. Come on. Onions. Because I'm doing it upside down and backwards. It's throwing me off. It's throwing me off. Okay, look, red sauce now. Oh yeah. This is medium heat because they didn't have it in 2XL. A little bit of that. It's delicious. You'll like it. It's fine. It's good. It's good inside. Trust me. Beans, magical fruit. And again, overstuff the crap out of it because that will make this video funnier. It's going to be delicious. Now, how do you roll a Crunchwrap? Oh, this is going to be tricky. This is always tricky. Come together, just like that. Then you fold up and up, up and up. Boom. It's Crunchwrap-alicious. We are going to brown this off, toast this off, because it's Crunchwrap. It's got to be crunchy. So it's going back to the Kamal over here. I'm going to grab a spatula under this so I don't do anything funny. But yeah, let's go over there. Camera's already running. Come on, wasting time. Crunchwrap is back. It's all nice and toasty. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. That's amazing. We got it on a big round plate because it's a big round plate. It's beautiful. Now, to make it an Enchirito Crunchwrap, oh, we're putting sauce on it. Oh, yes. We're putting the sauce on it. Give her the sauce. Don't be afraid of the sauce. The sauce is warmed up, by the way. Do not use cold sauce. It's going to taste like crap. Don't do that. Is this the wrong color? Yeah, because it's medium. It's got more peppers, more chilies in it. All right, she's good and soaked. You got to have the extra on the outside because that's the good part of the Enchirito. That makes it prettier. That's all about the thumbnail. Come on. Cheese. Oh, she's pretty. And you got to put the cheese around the sauce too. Come on, that's important. A little bit of that, a little bit of that. A little bit there, a little bit of magic. Who am I kidding? Yeah. Which way should I go? This way or that way? Never saw that coming, did you? Neither did Steve. Imaginary Steve over there catching them. All right, this is going to have to get melted, so I have the broiler on. Could you microwave this? Yes. Could you steam it? Yes. Could you do all kinds of things? Yes. I'm going to put it in the broiler because I've never done that before on a video. So I'm going to do that to show you another technique. Let's put it in the broiler. But first, I'm going to put this on a pan so I can grab it easier. Okay, folks, I'm back. And if this looks familiar, you saw the beginning of this video, you realize this is how the magic works. I just shot the intro. I haven't tasted it yet. Oh, yeah. We're there. That moment there, we've leapfrogged to this moment. For you, it took, what, 37 minutes, however long this video is? It took me 12 seconds. Normally, it takes you 2 seconds, and it takes me 3 hours. This one's backwards. I like it. Let's eat. I'm digging in. Oh, my God, I'm digging in. Are you kidding me? I'm getting in here. This is not a pickup thing. Even though it is crunch wrapped, this ain't a picking up thing. Let's see if we can get it on a fork. Oh, this is gonna be dangerous, but for you, I will do it. How about that, huh? How about them apples? All right, I'm just digging in before this thing goes anywhere. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh, this needs to be on the menu. Oh, and you got to assemble it exactly like that with the meat first, because with the cheese, meat, onions, a little sauce, then the beans, because it eats beautifully. It eats perfectly. Can you see in there a little bit better even? Oh my goodness. Oh, all right. So this is a win. What other mashup should we do? I mean, seriously, that whole Mexican pizza, 7-layer burrito, 7-layer Mexican pizza. What? That's crazy stuff. We could do that. I don't know. You tell me in the comments if we should be doing something like that. That sounds kind of fun. Otherwise, you got anything else like the cinnamon twisty buns, like the cinnamon bun balls, whatever they are, with the cinnamon twist that nobody likes? Yeah, let's mix those up. No, I'm not doing that. I don't care. I don't have no idea how to do that. Give me reasonable things. I will see what I can do on the next episode of Drive-Thru Kitchen, where we do other fun stuff like this. This is fun and awesome. And we learned a lot, didn't we? Yeah, cool. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.